Okay, quick question. How many hours did you spend gaming this week? Be honest. Whether it's climbing the ranks, grinding loot, or just vibing in your favorite world, your mouse is doing a lot of the heavy lifting. And in 2025, not all gaming mice are created equal. Some are sleek and deadly, others just look cool and disappoint. So I tested a ton, clicked until my wrist begged for mercy, and here are the top 5 gaming mice I'd actually recommend to a fellow gamer. If you're after great wireless performance without breaking the bank, this little beast might be your perfect match. The Logitech G305 Lightspeed proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a solid gaming mouse. It's got Logitech's legendary Hero sensor with up to 12,000 DPI, ultra-low latency Lightspeed wireless tech, and a super clean ambidextrous shape that works for most grips. And it's powered by a single AA battery that lasts up to 250 hours. Yeah, you heard that right, 250. No fancy RGB or adjustable weights here, but honestly that's part of the charm. It's light, responsive, and built for gamers who want solid performance without all the extras. If you're on a budget or just need a great secondary mouse for your laptop or travel setup, the G305 is a no-brainer. Coming in at just 47 grams, the Burst 2 Air is one of the lightest wireless gaming mice on the market. And it's not just light, it's right. This thing glides like butter across the mouse pad. And despite its low weight, it still feels solid and responsive. It uses a high-end Owl Eye 26K sensor with polling up to 1000 Hz. And the performance is esports grade. There's no RGB here, and you won't find a bunch of macro buttons or flashy gimmicks. What you will find is an insanely fast, battery-efficient, pure performance mouse with up to 120 hours of juice. If you play competitive games like Valorant, Apex Legends, or CS2, and you want a wireless mouse that disappears in your hand, the Burst 2 Air deserves your attention. The G502 is back, and somehow even better. The G502 X keeps the iconic shape that Logitech fans know and love, but updates it with lighter materials, improved switches, and a sleeker overall design. We're talking 11 programmable buttons, an infinite scroll wheel for productivity or weapon switching, and a super comfortable right-handed shape that fits like a glove. It's not the lightest mouse, but it's incredibly well balanced. With Logitech's Hero sensor pushing up to 25,600 DPI, the accuracy is top tier, and the new Lightforce optical mechanical switches are snappy without being too loud. For players who want a true do-it-all mouse, FPS, RPG, creative work, you can't go wrong here, especially if you prefer the reliability and zero-lag feel of a wired connection. If you live in World of Warcraft, Final Fantasy XIV, or any game that requires an army of hotkeys at your fingertips, this is your dream mouse. The Razer Naga Pro gives you swappable magnetic side panels with 2, 6, or 12-button layouts, so you can adapt it for any game or workflow. Want to play an MMO one night and a shooter the next? Just switch the panel and you're good to go. It's wireless, of course. Razer's HyperSpeed connection is quick and responsive, and it lasts up to 150 hours on a single charge. You get Razer's Focus Plus 20K sensor, full software customization, and the ergonomic shape that made the Naga series legendary. It's a bit chunky at 117 grams, and it's not cheap, but for what it does, nothing else really compares. Our top pick this year? It had to be the Razer DeathAdder V3 HyperSpeed. This mouse takes everything we loved about the classic DeathAdder. Its iconic ergonomic shape, its comfort, its no-nonsense design, and brings it into the modern age with killer wireless performance and next-level battery life. At just 55 grams, it's incredibly light without feeling hollow. The Focus X 26K sensor is flawless. The clicks are crisp and it just works. No RGB, no fluff, just straight-up performance for less than the V3 Pro, and with better battery life to boot. It's perfect for FPS, MOBAs, and just about any genre. If you're looking for one mouse to rule them all in 2025, this is it. So, there you have it, our top 5 gaming mice of 2025. Whether you're looking for speed, precision, comfort, or just the best bang for your buck, there's something on this list to elevate your game. Let us know in the comments. What mouse are you using right now? And which one of these would you try next? If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gear guides every day, and share it with your squad. Until next time, click smart, aim sharp, and game on.